It is 11 p.m. on a Tuesday, and a motivated buyer just texted your business line asking about a property you listed this morning. You are asleep, and by morning, they have already scheduled a showing with another agent. This is the silent killer of real estate momentum, and most agents have no system to stop it. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Claude AI to respond to missed calls and after-hours inquiries automatically, so you never lose another lead to the clock. Inside Claude AI, you can build what I call an after-hours response brain, which is a custom set of instructions you paste into Claude that turns it into a 24/7 intake agent for your business. Here is how it works in practice. When someone leaves a voicemail or sends a text after hours, you feed that message into Claude and ask it to draft a warm, professional response that acknowledges the inquiry, answers basic questions, and captures their interest until you can follow up personally. Let's say a prospect leaves a voicemail saying they saw your listing on Maple Street and want to know if it is still available and whether you do weekend showings. You paste that voicemail transcript directly into Claude and give it a simple prompt. Your prompt might say something like this: "You are a friendly real estate assistant for my agency. A prospect left this after-hours message." Write a warm text reply that confirms we received their inquiry, answers their question about weekend availability, and invites them to share the best time for a call tomorrow. Claude will instantly generate a polished, conversational reply that sounds like you wrote it yourself, and you can review and send it in under 60 seconds even if you are reviewing it the next morning before your first coffee. You can also build a Claude prompt template specifically for missed call scenarios that includes your agency name, your typical service area, your showing availability, and a few FAQs about your process. So every response feels consistent and professional every single time. Small business owners outside of real estate can use this exact same system for service inquiries, consultation requests, or quote follow-ups, because the core idea is the same. Claude becomes the intelligent first responder that keeps your pipeline warm while you rest. You now have a simple, repeatable system for making sure every after-hours inquiry gets a fast and professional response using Claude AI. If you'd like my free guide, just comment Claude and I'll send it right to you.